Yeah, it is pretty lame, dude. That's a fuck nut right there.
That's so dumb. I hope people mod it and just port it over.
I think they will.
Mod
I can see that
what? God
Don't you
damn.
agree, Ryan Day? Don't you agree they should mod it?
What are they modding? I don't even know what the.
They're modding it, dude. Come on.
Yeah. Wait, but they can't mod it. Not without the new Flash player.
No, it's okay. This is they're using HTML6, so it can happen.
Oh, that's
Maybe
a
I-
good
maybe I
that's a
should
good
just-
workaround.
Maybe I should just buy a quest. Maybe I should just do
No, don't fall for the fucking marketing, bitch.
What the hell gun is this?
I know.
Whoa,
Spend $400 just to
what
play
the
one
hell?
game that I already own.
No,
What the
that
heck?
game that came out like 12 years ago on VR.
ACOG engaged. What the hell?
Randy,
dude? You don't even know what just happened, but
You don't
are
even
you in the
know.
server, Ryan?
when you see my YouTube video, it's gonna be kind of
Yeah,
funny.
yeah. Subscribe to Cocobean. Subscribe to Cocobean. Subscribe to
Subscribe to
Cocobean.
Cornington. Subscribe to Cornington. Subscribe to Cornington. Subscribe to Cornington. Subscribe to Cornington. Subscribe to
I'm gonna be
Cornington.
uploading an Insurgency video. Eventually.
I want to upload insert. I want to hop on the bandwagon. Upload insert.
Okay, go for it. No one's stopping you. Only
I'm gonna copy
your
you.
mind.
I'm gonna take your viewership, Arende, and they're all gonna come to me.
Great.
All your viewers are gonna hop on my channel.
Dude, I have so many viewers.
Yep.
Oh, first kill of the round. Dude,
Yeah.
I have to say, like, killing in this game, just like when it happens,
It's a very liberating
it's-
experience.
It is. It's just like a breath of fresh air. Like you just open the window to let the breeze in. You know?
Oh yeah, yeah. It's cool because there's no hit markers, there's no dink, there's no like
No,
100
it's
XP.
very satisfying. It's just like, boop.
You just fall over.
You see the guy's
Yeah.
head explode. It's something else.
No, dude, this game. This game.
Oh, like just now.
I should probably not hang out in the road.
Hanging in the river.
Down by the
they're at Echo.
river.
Oh,
Down by the
Foxtrot.
river.
Dude,
Down
we're
by the
getting
river.
slapped right
Down by the
now,
river.
guys.
Down by the river. Down by the river. Down by the river.
We're
Don't make me
kinda
start.
Getting slapped.
Yo, you don't want me to make you start, huh?
Don't make
Yeah.
me start.
You don't want me to make you start, huh? Okay.
Did we get Foxtrot back?
Mango!
What up, corn fuck?
Ryan, did you record the Vin Diesel stuff?
Yeah, did you record the best part of that whole session?
Yeah, I got it.
Why didn't you upload it?
Yeah, why'd you upload the other bullshit that sucks?
You'll see.
You're
Are you
talking
actually
to me.
editing it? Are you
Are you actually editing it?
Eventually I will. Eventually I'm gonna compile. It's like all the raw video, put in 4 parts, and then later I'm gonna put it together and edit and make like one video. that's
Why are
kinda
you
the
like trickle
highlights.
feed uploading it? Why don't you just upload it all?
Are you
Are
gonna
you gonna edit funny sound clips
in
in when
people
explode?
Yeah, like bonk, like the cartoon sound effects. Hell yeah.
Hey,
dude.
put this in your video.
Okay.
Yeah.
Start the kick vote for Honeybee consumer.
Come on, move.
No, that was hella funny,
Don't fuck
dude.
around. Be careful.
No.
Team firing.
Not broken in my dream. I win in here. I'm nothing. A cosmic castaway. Yeah.
Cosmic Castaway. Randy,
What?
can you download the coconut falling on your head noise?
Boom.
Coconut falls on your head?
One where it's
What?
like, boom. You know the
Oh,
one.
Can you download the Hanna-Barbera fucking
Yeah, oh yeah.
We need to move.
And
library?
like, when they're running,
Sound effect library?
it's like
Yeah. Can you also?
Twinkle
you-
Toes sound effect? I don't know
Oh,
what to
that.
call it.
Yeah, when you're sneaking, it plays like a little piano.
Yeah.
Can
Little
you
piano
also?
keys.
Can you also get the? Get,
Can you
get
play
the bamboo.
Squid Game? Can you play Squid Game theme?
Can you play Squid Game? Girl, or it's like Chila Tony Wa Wow.
Yeah.
We lost D!
Dude, that was such a weird show.
That show sucked ass.
Yeah. Everyone's
That's
just
awful.
like blowing up about it.
I know.
There's nothing. There was
That's part
nothing
of the
impressive about
masses.
it.
The masses mindset can only consume certain things.
We must all consume
Just do it.
the same stuff. I keep
Hey, be
doing
careful,
dumb
okay?
crap like running out in the
Come
open
on.
and not really paying attention right now. This is not
That's
good.
what happens.
Ryan Day, you should be happy you weren't on yesterday because I talked about Matrix lore for like an hour.
Oh my
Oh
god.
my god. Dude, are you guys excited about the new Matrix movie
That's,
coming
what
out?
that's how I started. That's how I started. And then I got into Morpheus lore, and then I was talking about the Oracle, and then the administrator guy, whatever his name is. Yeah, and then I just derailed. Like Coco Bean mentioned the architect. Yeah, Coco Bean brought up Bionicle, so I put Bionicle into the lore.
Ooh. Bionicle is part of the Matrix universe?
Yeah,
What the fuck?
and then I just derailed all of it by saying Morpheus has to jack into the Matrix and have sex with the
Whoa,
Oracle.
this is a crazy little...
That sucked.
Wow, wait,
That
that was scary. Ah!
Honeybee!
I think
Honeybee!
Nope, I didn't. I'm alive. Oh, come on, man. Shit.
Oh, man. Come
Come on, man.
Shut
Hey,
up.
man.
Shut
Come
up.
on, man.
Shut up.
Hey!
Wait, hold on.
Dude, I'm watching you right now. This is so dumb.
Oh, dude. Jesus Christ. I hope
This
you
is
die.
now recorded. Oh, you got slapped in the face.
Men.
I got shot in the back because that guy's a coward. It's a coward, Miranda. That's what a coward looks like.
Honeybee? I think he was the guy that was supposed to clear my right while I was checking left, and he never did.
Oh, yeah. We played with this Honeybee guy last night. He fucking sucks at the game.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, Honeybee is fucking shit. Honeybee consumer.
What do you want?
Hi. Can you be good at the game?
You should say that to yourself, man.
Dude. Ryan Day.
Ew, I heard that.
This fucking guy sucks, dude.
This guy sucks!
Aha.
Can you shit on him, Randy?
Go for it. I don't give a fuck.
No, you shit on him.
Oh. You mean like it sounds like he has a bag of dicks stuck in his mouth?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, that's real original.
That is original. Oh my god. Dude, I'm laughing and I can't even play the game right now. Like, I'm not sure if he's like being serious or if he's fucking with us too, because if he's fucking with us, it's pretty good.
Honeybee, dude. Get your shit going. You're falling off on that, dude. You used to be something, now you nothing.
Wait. Honeybee Consumer has, he's doing wait, I'm doing better than he is in terms of not dying, but we have the same amount of kills.
Okay. So I guess that means you're good at the game. Or he's bad. However you want to play it.
We're like almost on par with each other, but in terms of
What? I all dead.
Teamwork cohesiveness, I think I win.
Yeah.
I haven't team killed anyone.
No, I wanted to ninja you.
What the fuck? Did you hear that guy? I don't think he can hear you.
Yeah, I'm dead, huh?
Getting in.
Yeah.
I kind of want to do what this guy's doing. He's just running around with an LMG.
Yeah,
That looks like a lot of fun.
yeah. With tracers on, that has to be so scary being at the end of that.
Yeah, for real.
Like, oh shit.
Should've let me knock you.
This sucks.
Ah, crap.
Ah.
GG.
Hey, Honeybee, what's up with you, dude? Why you sucking?
My team was really fucking bad that game.
Dude, you did, I think, a little bit worse than me.
That dude was awful.
That guy sucks.
And that's saying something. Honeybee, you need a better attitude when you play with
All right,
friends.
I'm good.